Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to be talking about finding a theme for your membership. Now, one of the keys to people feeling good about your membership site is maintaining a very professional look to it. Now, a professional look is going to give your users the sense that they are paying not only for the quality that you're going to be delivering, but they're also going to be paying for the experience. And what this does is it makes your value tangible for your users and your members. Your membership site is going to be like the office or the house or the location where your membership is, and so you wanted to give the users a great feel. Now, there are going to be pros and cons to every theme that you get, and of course, you want to try to get a theme, if you can, cost effectively, that's going to help you to accomplish those things that we're talking about, which is the professional look and giving people the sense that they are really getting something of value. Now, there are always going to be default themes. You can use them if you know how to customize them and you're willing to work with them. And you can certainly make them work for both a membership site as well as a sales page. You can also find a free theme if you use the WordPress dashboard and you look for themes that you can turn into a sales page. And again, many of these are going to require some work to get them into the form that you want them in order to accomplish your purpose. Now, here's the rule of thumb. Make sure that the theme is easy to use even if you have to pay for it. And the reason is because you want to focus your attention on getting members. You don't want to focus your attention on building the membership site. You want to be able to build your membership site quickly, and then you want to get to the point of bringing members into your marketing funnel. And one way to do that is to get a theme that can easily be used for both sales pages and for membership sites. Now, you can certainly use paid themes and sales page themes, but we want to try to get those themes that we can have the dual purpose. And there are two such sites available. There might be more, but these two are reputable and they are supported and they can be used for both purposes. InstaBuilder and OptimizePress. They are both paid themes, however, they are available and can be used for both purposes. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.